Good day everyone, I'm Giancarlo Primero from 12 BMA, and for our first video I will be discussing in front of you about the nature and scope of economics. Before I tackle the main topic, let me ask first, what is economics? Economics seeks to understand how people interact within the social structure to solve questions concerning production and exchange of goods and services. Economics is the study of how the people solve the scarcity and economic problems. Now we proceed to discuss what is production. Production is the conversion of scarce resources into desired goods and services. So production is a process or action that used to manufacture the raw materials into products. The factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. With this, we can make desired goods and services for the business and customers. Now, there's a big problem in here, the scarcity. What is scarcity? Scarcity refers to the condition where the quantity desired of a particular resource exceeds the quantity available in the absence of rationing system. Scarcity is the shortage of resources, but the demand for its product is higher. Let us now tackle the goods and services. There are two types of goods and services, the final goods and services and the intermediate goods, or also known as capital goods. Final goods is the goods that do not require further processing and ready to sell for the customers, for example, is clothes, foods, and medicines. While the intermediate goods are the goods that can be used as raw materials to produce another product, for example, is woods, papers, sugars, and etc. Rationing system includes the traditional and culture. This is kind of problem that most of society facing. This become a problem since everyone have different beliefs and behaviors, and some group of people have different characteristics, such as the indigenous people in our country, so having a misunderstanding might arise. Next one is planning and central government command. This refers to the charts, tables, and any statistics that used in business to determine the output. Markets. This refers to the using of system prices to act as a means of communication about the availability of resources and the desire for those resources. It's the price system that used to allocate the availability of resources. Voting and political procedures. This is the way of appointing an individual in an organization through majority votes for the development of business in a company. The scope of economics is the continuous growth according to Alfred Marshall. This includes the meaning of economics, whether it's social science, art of science. Economics also study ethics, political science, and history. Economics applied in science. Economics are relatable in science because since it requires a systematic way in order to make a solution to a problem. This requires analyzation, and also like in science, there are also various laws such as laws of supply and demand. For example is purchase of goods and services, usage of raw materials, and division of labor. And just like I said earlier, it applied as science because of its laws and theories. Economic as social science, because it uses the theories in order to explain the behavior of people or individuals. Another reason, economics is a study of human lives and behavior. Economics as an art and science. Economics are also relatable in art and science because economics can also have theories and it was analyzed and given through graphs, figures, table, and equations. With the help of theories, we can make assumptions that will help and solve the economic problem. There are two branches of economics, the microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is the study within the individuals, like their behaviors and income that operates in economy, while the macroeconomics is the study of the whole economy, or the one that are control of people. This includes inflation, employment, foreign exchange rates, and the GDP and etc. That's all. Thank you for watching.